at every last strip. Doing the old rags Dawny. Like many a man before me, whether you're from Tamaki Makaurau, the Waikato, Tauranga, just about to nip over the Kaimais, hopefully get some lefts and do a nice painting. Timing, but his from 12 seconds up to 14 seconds at just under 3 meters. I was like, oh damn, this looks like the morning. Low tide first thing as well, so haven't surfed in days. First glimpse and it's nice and clean out there, eh? No freaking way now. That same old conundrum, will I paint or will I get in the water? Oh, getting the brushes out because that's what we're here to do. Outside! That's what I'm better at. I've spent more time doing. That's how I can get paid. We've got that beautiful morning glow, eh? So we'll go to the usual lookout. It's like a snake of people, eh? Look at that glow. I'm gonna have to get painting ASAP, I think, here, eh? Damn. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Must be hard stuck on the fence like this, but the rewards make the fence seem extra sticky. My father is an artist and sailor, and one of his favourite quotes is, "Christopher, I paint to sail and sail to paint." So in this circumstance, the curse is hereditary, only with surfing instead. So wet pretty quickly down here. We'll punch that golden light in that's just hitting the top of Indies. Start punching. Nice horizon out there. Points down here. Golden light hitting it already. Start blocking those white water lines in as well. Just catching the sun. Oh my god, does it happen quick. Using like a brush for every colour at this stage. No time to clean them at the moment. Got that beautiful gold happening over there. Get a nice bright orange down from the corner, give us some contrast against that horizon, so and a bit of warmth on the rocks. Try to get this wave colour in there. There's lots of green in the top, it's blocking where we want these waves. So there's a nice big one that comes in the shadow down here. Load up that palette again. As soon as that golden light hit, and these just sort of started panicking. Been painting for like 15 minutes now and I think the colours are there. It's all about just remembering what's going on, seeing that redness in the rocks and then just start layering that in there. Lucky it's pumping because you can just keep painting the same wave over and over again. Just kind of breaks again, identical to the last. So it's probably been about half an hour. One of the faster paintings I've done in a long time. I think this says everything I needed to, but this is what Plein Air is about. It's not about getting detailed or bogged down or trying to remember too much about what just happened before. It's about being in the moment and capturing it. And dude, yeah, cheers brother. It happened quickly, eh? Amazing. I'm gonna get in the water. Yeah. It's always the Euros that appreciate it though, eh? Beautiful painter. It's got the white or the spirit engaged with it. The Moana will hook me up when I go for a wave soon. It's quick and it was intense, but that's what a wave can be like. Done and dusted. The last painting I did just took way too long, and this one was done in a matter of minutes. Got the right effect now sitting back and looking at it. But yeah, I know old mate Tony Ogle does lots of art at this place, and definitely he's really good at capturing that contrast between the light on the waves and the light not on the waves, the ones in the shadow. And it probably happens over 10 minutes, so I'm glad I got out here and managed to experience it firsthand and try and get it in quick. Yeah. It's chaos, everybody trying to find a park. You good?
Yeah, bro, we're up at the top and it's looking like it's crazy.
Yeah, I know, eh?
Nice to meet you, bro. I'm Obi.
Obi, cheer, where are you from?
Cape Town.
Cape Town, my bro. Yeah.
I got a couple on Wednesday night and Thursday morning from the bottom of Happy all the way through to Whaea.
Whoa, is it actually going through there?
Yeah, it was linking,
nice,
dude.
bro. Cheer, Obi, brother. Alright, I'll try painting you in there, right? Alright. Make sure you're in the tube, though.
Oh, definitely.
Alright.
Won't be anywhere else.
Yeah. I'll make sure to reward myself after getting 2 paintings done. Fingers crossed. Plus there's so many people. You get some?
Oh yeah,
Yeah?
good, eh?
Oh
Yeah.
nice. Still buzzing off the sunrise painting, I decide to smack out another one. I just wandered down to Whale Bay. A couple of the locals here, it's dead low tide, so there's still plenty of sets rolling. This is a pretty iconic view. We got the Toi, got the rocks, that morning light still, and a couple of sets, so. Under full inspection, that bottom turn.
Ruin your life.
No, you're right, mate. No one on some of these, eh? Gives you ants in your pants when you're sitting here painting, and there's a couple of unridden bombs going by. Not that I'll be on them, but.
Can't think of a better landscape if I want to paint, eh?
Oh, this is the one, eh?
Yeah.
And this is the dilemma as well. It's like, do I get out there or do I paint it? But
Oh, for you.
oh no, no, bloody tricky. Try to get those little reflections in front of the wave to make it nice and glassy.
Hemp cloth
Yeah.
underneath and then hemp and cork on the deck.
Sick. You getting out there?
I wish.
Yeah, I know, me too. I will be soon.
Oh, good. Okay.
You too. Alright, I think I'm out there. It's just glassed off. I'm going to spend too much time doing rocks and grass and stuff right now, which is just not that important to me. Call that a day. You get some?
Yeah, towards the end there.
Nice, dude. It's just glassed off completely, eh?
Yeah, it looks like it's picking up too.
Is it?
Pulsing.
Fuzzy.
Pretty. I know, I looked then and I was like, why have I come in?
Oh no, not one of those ones. But yeah, the first one definitely worked out better. It's a lot more spontaneous with that golden light. Could have got bogged down in details way too easily, you know. Oh mate, I think I'm going to work on it a bit more at home.
Oh, epic, bro.
Yeah, I'm going to get out there, but
Yeah, do it,
yeah.
man.
Do you make the Morris boards?
Nah, my brother.
Oh, your brother? Oh no way. I know Tom real well.
Oh, yeah.
I grew up in Red Beach and stuff, so I did lots of surfing up there. Yeah. Yeah.
You like 300 times.
Yeah, exactly. I know. Just had a sick little session out at Whale Bay. Bombs still coming in. And you get a bigger board though, I think. Riding a 5.6 fish, and it just made life a little bit difficult. So sick to see Raglan all lined up like that. I went wrong with the second painting because it was just the waves going by, and it just got me really agitated and wanting to surf and not wanting to sit there and paint thousands of rocks and some grass. So, but if it's stagnant light, the surf's pumping, don't waste your time, just get out there. Ngā mihi nui, Raglan. To celebrate episode 1 of Chillscapes, I'm giving away this framed original of Raglan. All you have to do is drop a comment in the YouTube comments below and tell me what you think I should paint. It can be anything, a place, a dream, a person, whatever you like. The winner will be announced at the end of the month. Ngā mihi for hanging out, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And maybe paint a full moon. Why is it called Rabbit Island? Surely there's no rabbits over there. Where are you from?
We are from South Korea.
South Korea. Oh my goodness, welcome.
Yeah, we are from here.